Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to install Windows 11 in VirtualBox. So for that we will download the ISO file. Search download Windows 11 on Google and click on first site, or you can directly come to this site by clicking the link in description. Here scroll down and download Windows 11 disk image whose format is ISO. Select the language and download the file. It is only available for 64-bit system. As you can see, the file size is pretty big, so I started the download earlier. Your file name might be different depending on Windows 11 version. Now open VirtualBox. Make sure you have the latest version of VirtualBox, otherwise Windows 11 will not install. Here click on New and name the machine. You can also change the machine folder, then select the image. It will automatically detect the operating system. Then next, allocate memory and processor cores according to your specs. I recommend giving at least 8 GB RAM because Windows 11 requires a lot. 80 GB disk space is enough, but I will install some apps in it. That's why I am giving it 200 GB space. Click on Finish and Windows 11 virtual machine is now created. Now start the machine. Remember to press any key at start, otherwise it won't boot from ISO file. Select language and location, then next and install now. I have this product key of Windows 10 Pro which might work. Select Customize Installation and select the disk, then next. Now Windows 11 is installing, which will take time. It will also restart automatically. If your virtual machine hangs while installing Windows 11, then simply restart the machine. The installation took around 15 minutes. Now select language and country. You can also name your device. I will be setting it up for personal use. You have to log in through your Microsoft account to enter Windows 11. After logging in, choose your privacy settings, then accept. Some more things and we are getting ready. Now Windows 11 is installed in VirtualBox. But wait a sec, this is not ideal to use it in such a small screen. I will show you how to run it in full screen. But first, let me clean this up a bit. We can increase the screen size by changing its resolution in display settings. Although this is better, but we are still not in full screen. We have to install VirtualBox guest editions to run it in full screen. In bottom or top left, select devices and insert guest editions CD image, then open File Explorer and install it. After installing, restart the machine. After that, in View, select Auto Resize Guest Display and it will automatically adjust to your screen resolution. So this was it. Complete Windows 11 installation in VirtualBox. While using it, I found out that it lags a lot since we are using it in a virtual machine. But this might be fixed depending on future VirtualBox upgrades. You can check my previous video if you don't know how to upgrade your PC software. Thanks for watching.